This is an unboxing of Stefanie Heinzmann's Masterplan Album Deluxe Edition with CD and DVD. There's a sticker on the front. So it includes The Unforgiven, 5 bonus songs, 1 live track, and the DVD has Masterplan and a documentary which is 70 minutes long, and all of her music videos and a photo gallery. And the website is stefanieheinzmann.de. I'll just put the plastic right here, carefully so I don't damage anything that might be inside. In terms of stickers or booklets or anything like that. Open this, and 3-way. Chair right there. This is the CD. This is the DVD with Masterplan, the movie, videos, My Man is a Mean Man, Like a Bullet, Revolution, The Unforgiven, and photo gallery. A view of Stefanie from behind. In the middle, there's a pocket which holds that booklet. These are the song lyrics. Some bonus tracks and a description of the bonus tracks and DVD. And of course, this is all in German. Thank you list. Credits, some merchandise, and that's it.